This is our new driver area. And what's so special about this? Let me show you. We have taken some of the best features from the truck and putting them into the bus. We have the air vents, the switch buttons, the instrument cluster, and of course the steering wheel. Our ambition was to develop the very best workplace for a professional bus driver. For example, we have our instrument panel made by a production method never been used on buses before. This gives an outstanding perceived quality. We worked a lot with reachability and leg space to reach the optimal balance between the two. All through the process, we have focused on achieving the best visibility possible. All in all, I really feel that we've succeeded in designing an outstanding workplace.
As Scania introduces its new generation citywide buses, it must ensure that they're adapted for the coldest as well as the warmest climate conditions. Here in Arvidsjaur in Sweden, just south of the Arctic Circle, the buses are put to the test.
We do this testing to make sure that the vehicles perform as our customers expect them to perform. We subject the vehicle to situations that we know occur during our customers' daily operations. We are assessing the reliability and durability of the whole bus for the sake of the driver, the passengers, and the people who are around the bus when it's in operation. We have the sharp turns that we do both left and right to subject the vehicle to the forces that it encounters in reality. City operations have a lot of sharp turns, both left and right. We know that city buses are used for quite a long time by our customers once they buy them, so we want to make sure that they can keep using the vehicle year after year reliably. The rolling test that we do for the bus on the roads is a situation that we see with severe potholes on the road. We are looking at the stresses that goes up into the entire bus when we subject it to potholes. We do this repeatedly many times over for a whole test cycle. It is a situation that we know occurs frequently for city buses and vehicle in urban situations. Now what we do is we make sure that the vehicle can take the load of constant emergency stops at low speeds.